Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a coupon code or discount code in Gohighlevel. This is a powerful way to incentivize purchases, reward loyal customers, or run limited time promotions directly through your payment system. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Gohighlevel login page. Once you're there, enter your email address and password in the designated fields, then click the Login button. This will bring you into your Gohighlevel dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your business operations. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a menu with various options. Click on Payments to access the Payment Management area. If for some reason you don't immediately see payments listed, look for a section labeled Billing or something similar, as the Payments option may be nested within that area. This is where all your payment-related settings and tools are housed. Once you're in the Payments section, look at the top navigation menu. You should see an option labeled Coupons. Click on it to open the coupon management interface. This is where you'll create, edit, and monitor all the discount codes you offer to your customers. Now it's time to create your coupon. In the top right corner of the coupons page, you'll see a button that says Create Coupon. Click this button to begin setting up your new discount code. A form will appear where you can define all the details of your coupon. Start by entering a name for your coupon in the field labeled Name. This is for your internal reference, so choose something descriptive that helps you remember what the coupon is for. Next, move to the field labeled Code and either type in a custom code or use the generator if one is available. This code is what your customers will actually enter at checkout, so make it memorable and easy to type. Now you'll need to define what kind of discount you're offering. Click on the field labeled Discount Type and choose between percentage or fixed amount. If you select percentage, you might enter something like 15 to give customers 15% off. If you choose fixed amount, you could enter 10 to give them $10 off their purchase. This flexibility allows you to tailor your promotion to your specific marketing goals. Next, configure when your coupon will be active. Click on Start Date and select the date when you want the coupon to become available. Then click End Date and choose when the coupon should expire. Setting these dates ensures your promotion runs exactly when you want it to, creating urgency for your customers. If you want to limit how many times the coupon can be used, you can define usage limits. Look for a toggle or field labeled Usage Limit and activate it if you want to cap the total number of uses. Then enter the numeric limit you'd like to set. This is especially useful for exclusive offers or when you want to control the total discount impact on your revenue. Finally, once you've configured all your coupon settings, click the Save or Create button to finalize and activate your coupon. Your discount code is now ready to be shared with customers and will automatically apply at checkout when they enter it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.